What is poppin', y'all? What's good? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Vloggerino. Yo, it is 60 degrees, bro. What? First things we gotta do, we gotta go to AutoZone because we gotta buy something for the 300, and then after that we're gonna put something on the 300. Oh my gosh, what is even happening here? You gotta wait for me. What? Oh, some people just don't know how to drive. Alright, so the reason why we got automatic transmission fluid is because we are doing an automatic swap on the 300ZX. It'll just be a better daily, and I am completely BSing right now. Automatic transmission fluid because the 300 is leaking a little bit of, not coolant, sorry, a little bit of power steering. I don't know if I ever told you guys this. When I bought the car, I had no power steering. It was all broken. I fixed the most annoying power steering hose, and for some reason, it's been leaking a little bit. I'm just gonna refill it, see if it still leaks. We'll see. But yeah, if you own like any type of older Nissan, like 300s, 240s, I think also use this automatic transmission fluid for the power steering. It's a lot thicker. The actual power steering fluid sucks. It's too thin. It's gonna leak and everything's gonna go bad. Everything looking good, yes sir.
Oh my god!
Come here, girl. Come here. Come here, bang. No, you gotta bring the ball. Bring the ball. Come over here. Alright, go, 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 go. Alright, so we got 20 mil spacers for the rear. The film is gonna be looking, how's it gonna be looking? Extra minty. I've literally had these for like 2 weeks at this point, but I decided today I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on. This will honestly make the car look so good, just like the 370Z. We put 10 mils on the 370Z and it looks amazing. So we put 20 mil. If my measurements are correct, we should be extremely tight in the next couple minutes. Let's get it. No, get out! Get out! You silly dog, what are you doing? Go ahead, brother. Do it, you can do it, come on. Dale, go ahead, brother. Get it, get it, get it, get it. You can do it. You got this, come on, you can do it. Just get it, don't be scared, come on. Oh shoot. Alright, so currently the next day, because this guy has final exams, but the exams are done. I'm gonna show you guys the car. I didn't really vlog myself putting the spacers on because it's kind of boring. I showed you like the first part, I think, but just know that the fitment on this side looks absolutely perfect. Like this is exactly what I wanted. I'm probably gonna lower the car a little bit more since there's really good clearance, but check this out. It's pretty much bothering me. Look at this. You guys remember how that side was, right? Look at this side. The wheels a little more pushed out, and it doesn't, I mean, it looks good. It doesn't look wrong or off, but see, look at this side, and then look at this side. Definitely also, I gotta get under the car in a little bit. But before we do that, or even the first shot, we gotta go somewhere to fix the 370. It's kind of like an underclosed location. You look so uncomfortable. It wasn't in the pop map. I know. Alright, so we just made it to our undisclosed location. I can't show you guys yet, but maybe one day we'll show you where we are. Look at these looking all nice. What we're gonna do today, let me show you guys real quick. I don't think I told you this, but there's like a little weird gap like here in the hood. We're gonna try to fix that. And yeah, shouldn't take that long. Probably gonna do like a quick time lapse, but sheesh. these are vlogger lights, bro. But we're gonna fix the little Gapparino. Of course, I forgot my tripod at home, but Josh has a chair. So we're gonna put the camera on this chair, do a quick time lapse. So we're just stacking things. He's gonna bring kind of paint. So are we gonna take off the hood fully, or what are we gonna do? Are we gonna take off the hood, take out the fender, or?
No. We'll just take off the hood. Yeah.
Take off the hood?
Yeah.
All right. And now we have the Z without a hood, part 2.
Invisible hood.
So what we're gonna enlarge these holes right here so there's a little more play in the hood and we can shift it this way, that way. Good. Yeah. Nice. Just a good old hole.
What we can do is we can go to Home Depot real quick. It's right there. And we'll just buy a bolt and nut and just put it on like that. It's kind of ghetto, but
Off to Home Depot we go. Or we could get a bolt from somewhere else and then put it there, and then maybe we can find like a bolt the same size around here.
no. The threads on the car. That's what I'm saying. They're stripped. I stripped it out.
Oh, on the car?
Look at all them chickens.
Look at all them chickens.
Oh, look at this Fiat. Dude, that's a Fiat? That looks so good. We got a bolt, washer, nut. If the bolt's too big, that's really gonna suck actually. I don't want that to happen.
We just get it in there because it's gonna be clamping
Okay.
pressure
Yeah, you're right.
together, I think.
Okay, that's fine. Alright, Josh says that he doesn't have a tap set, that's why we're not tapping it.
It's not here. That's what
It's not here.
Yeah.
I think he just wants to drill in the car, honestly.
Yeah, basically.
It kind of sucks, but we gotta fix it. We gotta fix the fitment, and that bolt wasn't tightening down, so we gotta be safe. I honestly don't want to show you guys some of this ghetto-ness, but we can't even see. Oh, there we go. It's drilled out, so we're gonna go ahead. Well, we're gonna put a washer at the top, but just to give you an idea, and then we're gonna put a little nut at the bottom. That should be good. We should be chilling, dude. Woo. I mean, that's as good as it gets, dude. Look at that fitment, bro.
Yeah, I think that's as good as
Sheesh. Yeah, because I mean that side's pretty good, and then this side.
No, that's exactly the same.
That's good because this side used to be like literally pressing against this fender.
Yeah.
Yo, we just saw this place by the side of the road. Check this out, dude. Oh, is that a GT2? Yo, this thing is sick, dude. It looks like it's definitely used. It's got a full cage. Oh, GT3, yeah.
Flex.
Oh, that's so, dude. Check this out. So here we got Porsche, and then right here, dude, we can kind of pass this Porsche.
Look at the helmet in there.
Huh? Yeah, I saw a helmet. Center locks. Dang. And then here we have another GT3. Yo, I've said it a lot, but when I was a little kid, that was my dream car. When I was in Kiwa playing some Need for Speed Most Wanted, Porsche and Corvettes were like the go-to cars.
Automatic.
Yeah, most of them are probably automatic, right?
I have no idea.
Don't fall on the Porsche, don't fall on the Porsche. Yep, this is automatic as well. Dude, we got the whole Porsche lineup, look at this. Even that one at the end is a Porsche. Okay, so, the reason why your fenders are GT4 fenders, it's because of that on top, right?
Yeah.
So, it was like inspired by this little fender right here. Or not little fender, but dude, this thing is awesome, bro. This is definitely my favorite one. The blue one looks pretty sick.
Well, you know I like colors like that.
I like the gray one, dude.
Yeah.
My car, why can't my car pass as a Porsche? See, like we got like the little fender on the top. Look at the size of these brakes. Like, look at my hand. That's doesn't even do its justice. These things are huge. Wow, full on race cars. Yo, like I think I like this. Like I know GTR is my dream car, but this looks so freaking good. Yo, we should go in there and see if I can trade in my 370 for.
Yeah, see if they'll trade for this one.
Yeah, let's see. All right, we're gonna go. It looks so good.
So good.
Ladies first, Josh.
Sorry, ladies first.
I don't know if I can vlog here, but oh no. Look at this, dude. Oh, yo, look at the wide body on this.
It's huge.
Full-on race car.
This is like an arc.
Full-on race car. Wow. Wow.
Made in Jacksonville.
250. Alright, we can save it for like 5 years.
Yeah.
We can both use the cars. Okay, honestly, out of all this, I'll take the green one. I think either the green one. Actually, yeah, the green one. Just the color pops out more.
Plus, it's more modern, you know.
So this is the GT3, right? Is it the RS?
Yeah, GT3 RS. Yeah.
Oh, this is an RS, right? Yeah, because of the little fenders and all the aero and wow.
Interior's green.
Yeah, I saw that. You can see it from here, like the roll cages and the
Seatbelts are
seatbelts.
green. That's crazy.
The stitching on the seats. So we just got out of the dealer, talked to the owner. Let's just say that Josh might be. We're not gonna say anything. But look how, dude, it's funny how the car fits in. And also she was just saying, so they have customer cars that they take care of, like customer race cars. And they also have their own cars, which they sell Porsches.
Their own cars.
Yeah, like see, these with the banners are their cars. It's called AutoQuest Motorsports. But also like some in there are also customer cars. So that's really cool. A real race car, fake race car. Dude, oh my god. I'm like stuck in here, bro. Look at that thing. I always want to drive one. I want to drive a semi truck. That's like one of my goals. Alright, so I've never been to Bass Pro Shops. Josh here was like, yo, we have to go. It's super cool. So we're gonna go inside. I don't know if I'm gonna take my camera, but I am gonna take my phone. We're gonna vlog whatever we see. I don't know. I've always wanted to come here, so
Yes, sir.
should be exciting. Dude, I don't feel good here, bro. We got truck, diesel. Dude, I don't.
Diesel.
So they sell here just everything outdoor.
Anything and everything, yeah.
Yo, there's like a whole world, bro.
Yeah, look at the aquarium, man.
There's a freaking waterfall. This one's really nice, bro.
Yeah, it is.
750?
Yeah, I can see you on it.
You guys see me? You guys see me? 750 though. We can buy a Tomei for that much.
I know, yeah.
So what do you guys think? A kayak or a Tomei, dude? No, I really want a kayak though. I feel like that's super fun. Last time I went, you guys really liked it. And I feel like it'll make the vlog super sick. Like going kayaking to like new areas every time. I feel like it would be pretty cool. Josh just said, what am I gonna do? Strap it onto the roof of the Z? Yeah, just imagine a Z. Just imagine Brittany right now with this strapped on top of it.
This one's huge.
Dude, look at the size of this. Wait, stand next to it, stand next to it.
I'm about 6
It's
foot.
literally 2 of you and a little bit more.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What kind of animal's in this? What the heck? See, I'll get more like this.
1,000.
Sheesh. Dude, that's almost like a project car. Yo, on the next vlog, this is what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing next vlog. Can you guys imagine?
A full-on ghillie suit.
Oh my god. Look at that dude. Yo, whose car is that? I wonder if it's like unlocked or something. Let's go see, let's go see. Yo, imagine it's unlocked. Yo, it's got a camera in here? What the heck? Decorations put on her car. Which does say.
Oh, yeah.
I like the little things.
Yeah. No pop. That was not the pop, man. This is like a full 360.
We about to drift. Imagine drifting this whole thing.
Oh my gosh, that'd be nuts. I don't know if the camera can get it. Here, I'll record the backside. He's laughing. Danny's snapping necks in traffic.
Oh my god. It's been like 20 minutes. Ah! I didn't put it on neutral. We almost installed. Oh, and in case you guys are wondering, we're still in the same. Those are the same bike people we've been seeing the past like 2 hours.
We've gone like a mile.
Oh my god. So Josh, how's your day? How's your day been?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good day. You know, we were out here.
Yeah.
Almost bought a Porsche.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't because like they weren't really my kind. I didn't really like them that much.
Yeah, yeah. They offered you what? Too much? How much? 200,000.
So she was like, if you give me the 370, oh my gosh. She was like, if you give me the 370 and the 300, we'll give you the GT3 RS. But I was like,
the green one.
The green one. So I was like, nah, I'm sorry, but I can't do that. Brittany's worth like 300K alone. Can't do that.
Yeah.
You're like, oh my god, please, I'll give you money to take it. I'm like, no, stop. Can't do it.
Oh, dude, it goes forever.
Are you? What do you mean it goes forever?
I can see it.
Oh my gosh,
up there.
nah, you kidding me? You know it's bad when there's a guy in a bike going faster than you. Look at that. Look at that guy over there in a bike. Dude, my guy's flexing on us, bro. No crap. 2 lanes blocked, congestion till 3 more miles down. We know we've been here for like 40 minutes. I'm just gonna go to sleep, dude.
Honestly, for real.
We've been here for so long. We just saw Josh's dad on the highway. What even is happening right now? Dude.
I don't want to drop this. Oh yeah, I can see the sign way up there. Yeah, you gotta get over. Look now.
Let me in. Oh, he's moving the sign.
Oh.
Oh, let's go.
He's waving you on, dude. He's waving you on. Oh, that goes your phone.
Yeah, we're free.
Oh, there's a cop right there. I'm putting the camera down.
Don't pop, you stupid car. Why are you popping? There you go.
That's much
Shout out to the bro. Hey, what's good? Yo. Alright, that was a pretty fun, action-packed vlog. If you guys enjoyed it and want some more videos like that, leave a big thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, subscribe to the channel. My name is Danny. That is the Twin Turbo 300ZX, which, by the way, fitment is definitely off, so I am going to get under the car probably for next video. Yeah. But yeah, leave a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, please. If you're watching right now, this lady to the video, comment down below GT3. Comment GT3 down below. Now, I don't think I said it, but they actually do like track events with a Porsche. So I'm probably gonna go back before they do their next one. See if I can go come along filming for you guys. It's gonna be amazing. But alright, oh my god, it's so hot. I'll see you guys later. Hasta luego. Subscribe.